Welcome back to another episode of Subnautica Hardcore. Sort of. This will be the last time I explain this. It's not hardcore, sort of, because I died in my hardcore world for no reason, and I just started a new one and got back to where I was. So, if you want to hear the bigger story, go check out the last episode. And you'll know what this is if you watch the last episode. Yeah, I got like a whole farm of marble melons and Chinese potatoes. Alright, let's go. Okay, so if you're wondering what we're gonna be doing in this episode, I have no idea what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna try, I think, to get to the floating islands, so that, wow, it's perfectly lined up to go north. Well, because I want to try to get Cyclops engine fragments the least dangerous way. Because if you know, most of the ways are pretty dangerous, except for this. One time I got 2 engine fragments here at the floating island, so I swear, if I get a radio call while I'm doing this, I know what it's gonna be. Go straight ahead. I hope I don't crash into a reaper or something because I'm going the wrong way. But I'm going straight north from the light pod. But sometimes the light pods aren't in the same spot, so no, this is it. I'm pretty sure. Alright, yep, we're here. We have arrived. Blonde sharks are everywhere. Man, where are they? Oh my. I hate blonde sharks. Ow! Can you stop eating? Ow, stop feasting on my semen. There are the rest of the islands down here. We're looking for an island with a humongous wreck. Guys, I'll be right back. I need to deal with something. There it is, the beautiful wreck. That could be an engine fragment right there, bro. It probably isn't, because that's like in every wreck, but sometimes the engines and fragments look like this, so. See? Nope. Ooh. Bronze drill arm fragment. Okay. I just can't see. Come on. I need to do something right now. If you haven't seen the last episode, I got ultra high capacity, so that's why I'm staying. That's engine. I can tell that's engine. Yes, Cyclops engine fragment. But we still need 2 more. So, ooh. I don't know if you guys saw that, but there's usually only 2, but dude, I never find them that fast. I'm gonna check around a little bit more, especially getting a CMON and do a little bit more work. Guys, wish me good luck. See if we can find 1 more. If we do, that'll be just awesome. There's a supply crate. Ooh, data box. What is gonna be in the data box? Let's see. What is it gonna be? Creature decoy. Wow. Guys. Let's go! Bruh. New blueprint synthesized cyclops. Let's go! Let's go! Guys, you do not know how rare it is for three ending fragments to spawn here. It is like a 0. I think it's like 2.1%, 2.1.2% chance, like 2.367% chance for 3 to spawn there. Just go back. Don't look behind you, Simon. Because if you look behind you, there's probably going to be like a Reaper or something. So just go. I don't know why. I don't get it. Whenever I cross from a dark area to a light area, I get the shivers. Just don't like it. But when I cross from a light area into a dark area, I'm fine. It's weird. When I get back into the non-dangerous areas, I get the shivers for some reason. I feel like someone's following me. I'm so happy right now, cause the other places you can get cyclops fragments is the Aurora, I think Sea Treader's path, which has Ghost Pythons, and the Grand Reef. And pretty sure it's like mountain and stuff. Most places are dangerous, but except for that. Oh my god, I don't know if I've told you guys, but I don't know why, but I love the Into the Unknown music. I just love it. Hold on, I'm gonna get it playing. There, that should be playing. There we go. Let's see, what do we need for a cyclops? Because cyclops. I can make the enameled glass, because I have the lithium. Titanium's easy to get. I just need the core. Oh wait, advanced wiring kit. That'll be big. That'll be hard to get. I'll use that. I don't know why I just said I'll be back. Let's go, bruh, 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 bruh. Let's go, bruh. I don't know if you guys know how happy I am that I'm pretty sure I have enough stalker teeth anyways for the enamel glass, but thanks, stalker. And thanks for the metal salvage. A booga booga, a booga booga, a booga booga, a booga booga, a booga 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 boo, a booga booga boogie boo, a booga boogie boogie boo, beep bop beep bop beep. Oh, if you're wondering why I have rubies and ton of stuff, I died in this world from hunger. And with like rubies, and I had a diamond and everything, and it dropped right beside my base because I was like right outside. So lucky, it dropped right outside my base, and I got the stuff back, and I haven't put it away yet. Wait, I think this is it's not full. Wait, do I have enough? I needed 3 lithium, right? I have 2. Oh yeah, because I used a lot. We're gonna have to go somewhere anyway. We're gonna have to go somewhere. Or wait. Oh, I don't have my ultra glide fins on. That's stupid. I'm like, whoa! I'm going fast. Let's see how fast I'm. Oh my. Now let's see what the go. Oh my. Bruh. Man, ultra glide fins are so awesome. Of course, I'll be back once I get the materials for the cyclops. Well, there's a farting walrus egg, as I call the gas pods. I call gas pods farting walruses. Oh my goodness, inventory full. Never drop that. Drop this. Drop that creature egg. Never drop the other one. Drop the creature egg for a different creature egg that's rarer. Wow, Simon. You're amazing. Oh man, I'm 1 short on quartz. Hamburger. Alright, I'll be back to you once I get the stuff. I just wanted to show you the farting walrus egg. Save me from this crazy creature in the safe shallows. What are you doing here? Bro, what are you doing here? It's supposed to be safe. Alright. Why? Just why are you here? Just tell me that. Why is such random things happening when I'm just trying to get resources, okay? Jeez. Radio message. Oh my.
A landing site for you that's, well, it's better than the alternatives.
Fine.
We sent you the coordinates. It'll take us a couple of days to align our orbit. We should be able to establish direct contact with you during that time. Then we're coming in to get you. Cross your fingers, the weather holds. Don't leave us waiting. Sunbeam out.
Yes. Also no. I say yes, but also no because, well, I don't know about you, but you're trying to build the cyclops. But I guess I did get a little bit of ahead of myself, so I'm just gonna name this locker stuff because I have too much inventory. Just put everything in here I'll just empty out my inventory here. And then remember, when I come back, the Cyclops resources are there. Oh my goodness, I'm down at 8 health. Alright, let's take some marble. Hold on. Cut some. I would cut like 3. So then we haven't. Yeah, that's definitely enough. Take the marble melons. I will gladly steal these marble melons. Now, boop, 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 boop. And now grab a marble melon. Oh, I'm gonna eat some right now because I need them. Oh man, marble melons are so good. Let me just take like a few. Let me just take all of them. Like, bruh. I guess I could take a Chinese potato. There's my food and water until we get there. Well, there's there's bulbo trees there, but they suck, so I'm just gonna take some marble melons. Guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go pee-pees. We are heading to the sunbeam landing site. We are heading to the sunbeam landing site. With 36 minutes left, 36 minutes left, I think we can make it. Beep beep bop beep bop, beep 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 bop bop, beep bop bop beep bop bop. Wait, my Seamoth's at 7 power. this might not be good. We turn off, like, once we get there, just turn off everything on the sea moths because it's at 7 power. This is the worst part. The last 300 meters or 400 meters is the worst part. I think it's 400 meters. The last 400 meters is just closer. Close your eyes. Maybe not, but come on. I know it's not sunbeam. Seriously, bro. I don't know if you guys heard that, but now I'm super scared. It was a reaper roar. I mean, I'm not incredibly scared, but like I'm a little bit like I'm just a little bit scared. I mean, reapers are scary and all, but I mean, they're not like terrifying. Alrighty, we're here, and I literally don't need any food or water. But I do need a health kit, which I don't have. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'll explore. Actually, nah. This might be a longer episode because I don't know if... Yeah, let's explore the sun camera. Purple tablet. Purple tablet fragment. I have a purple tablet in my... Wait, don't I have a purple... Yeah, I have a purple tablet in my inventory. I mean, I'll get... Nah, I don't need the... Well, I will get it, but not right now. By the way, guys, probably after the episode, I will be going through the caves here. Yeah, and I don't care, Siri, or not Siri, PDA. I just call it PDA Siri for some reason. All right, let's go. Oh, parkour! Oh God, I failed the parkour. Parkour failed. Data turn. Attempting the translation. Oh God. Ow. Alright, I'm not jumping off any more cliffs. Because if you guys can see my health, it's sort of at like 12. So yeah, no more jumping off cliffs like I just did. Not really cliff, just jump. Ion cube, yes, bro. It's an ion cube. Yeah, I think this episode will be probably 22 minutes, 24 minutes, 22 to 24 minutes.
Analysis of the patterns on the walls cannot ascertain whether their purpose is aesthetic or functional. Further data required.
I'd say they're probably functional. Why the walls being so I don't know how to say it. I can't say it. But why would the walls be that crazy? They worked so hard on this wall just to make it look cool. Like, bruh, it's obviously functional, right?
Unknown language. Attempting translation.
Enforcement. Okay. Enforcement platform schematic. Schematics. We got 30 minutes left with sunbeam.
Your best probability
Whoa.
this facility is achieved by accessing the control room in the lower section.
Oh, that was weird. And I'm not jumping in that water because I know what is out there. I don't think it can swim into this water, but I just don't want to hear it or see it. Ooh, Eon Cube. Eon Cube, Eon Cube. It's an Eon Cube. Inventory full, what the? Wait, I need to eat anyway. Old Marble Mount. Ah, I forgot it gets old. Well, it's still good. And old, eat it. There we go. I'm not full of everything. Stats were pretty. Now I don't have food or water, but they're both at full, so I don't think I have to worry about that. It's only gonna be like a half an hour, right? But yeah, I am gonna be exploring the caves because I do need lithium, and diamonds would be nice too for some certain stuff. Wait, I remember there was a, please tell me there was a place with a purple, yeah, there is. Good, because there was, ow, why did I do that? Now I'm down to 6. Wait, how did I, oh yeah, I think you get more health for, like, your statistics up, so, yeah, if that wasn't there, I would have gone all the way through. But yeah, it should have been there because, like, I went to, like, the Southern Island to get that one.
Scans indicate the facility's control room lies beyond this doorway.
Alright, so the facility control room is up beyond here. It's right in here. This doorway. Shut off the laser beam! I bet, hold on. I bet you I'm infected, aren't I? No!
Bacterial infection in your system is progressing.
If you're not infected, you can disable it.
System response. Further data required to identify bacterial strain. The control panel is broadcasting a message. Translation reads, warning, infected individuals may not disable the weapon. This planet is under quarantine.
Alright. I'm gonna see you once the sunbeam arrives, because there's nothing really else to explore. Alright guys, going through the portal that I just activated. Where are we going? It's like a nether portal from Minecraft. Southern Island, I can tell already. Yeah. Well, going back. Guys, the sunbeam haven't arrived yet, but, like, I got so much materials from the cave. Gotta say, I got so much. Here, I'm gonna show you. Look at all this lithium. All the lithium you could ever need. Oh, and 4 diamonds and some gold. I went through the portal to get to Southern Island. You saw that. Metal salvage is from before, but yay! We've still got like 8 minutes, so see once they arrive. 1 minute remaining. Dun, 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 dun. I have been waiting like 10 minutes for this to happen. I have been waiting like 10 minutes. Wait, hold on. What? Oh, I hear something. Huh? What do you... Survivor, we see you.
Survivor, we see you. Man, I don't know how you held out down there. We broke an atmosphere and we're descending towards the landing site. Is that a building down there? What do you mean you can't identify it? Son, no turning back now. Positions, everyone. Touching down in 10,
There it is.
9, 8. It's coming from the building? Change course. Set thrusters to full.
Goodbye, Sunbeam. I'd say that's a good place to end the episode. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. Like goal is 5 likes. And hit the bell button to be notified when new videos come out. That was just crazy explosion. I need to watch this fire hit the water and it makes no sense. Fire hit water. There's literally no trace. I was gonna say there's no trace. Sunbeam. Fire. Fire just disappeared. What? Oh, yeah, it's going back to its regular form. No trace of Sunbeam. Well, see you in the next episode.